When we talk about assets for Camtasia, we're often talking about video, images, or audio that we use across multiple projects. We typically store these assets in the Camtasia library. Click the library on the left or press the R key. With the library tool open, click the Download More Assets link at the bottom of the tool. This takes you to a TechSmith Assets webpage. TechSmith has assets divided into videos, images, and audio. If we click on Intros under the Videos heading, for example, we're taken to a page where we see several video thumbnails. You'll notice on the thumbnail page that it shows Free in the lower left corner of some of the thumbnails. If you scroll down, you'll find more that are only available with a subscription. If you put your mouse cursor over one of the thumbnails, you'll see a video preview. If you mouse over the premium content, you'll see a Buy Subscription button. If you're logged into the TechSmith site and you mouse over a free asset, you'll see a Camtasia logo to open in Camtasia and a Download button. Click the Camtasia button and the libzip file will begin downloading. Camtasia uses the libzip, or library zip, file format for importing and exporting individual files or entire libraries. Camtasia will automatically import your asset into the Downloads library. Once it's there, you can right-click the asset to move it to the library you want.